I'm currently on the page of AMB right now. I saw that it was going to 822, so I'm thinking of just, cashing out. I don't know whether we'll make money with this, but I think we should just, get out of this trade. The reason why is because I just want to make sure that we're not losing any money. Okay, so it's currently on 822. And I think maybe we should just try to sell off at this rate. I hope we wouldn't lose money with this, but at least if we can just get our money back, that would be cool. So let me just try and see how much we would get. 49.94. That means we're going to lose 6 cents. Do I want to go with this? This is one of the ones that we did with losers, I mean. So this is the losers key, and I've seen it go down and I'm not comfortable with it. Maybe we should just give it a little bit of time, but I don't want the case where it now goes down and then I begin to blame myself. At this point, if we get out of this trade, we'll lose 6 cents. And I'm thinking maybe we should go ahead with that. But while I wait a little, I'll just wait a little bit. I want to quickly go around and see what's happening to the others. Oh my God, see, it went down again to 820. Oh my God, what was I doing? That's what I'm saying. That was what I was saying. Any moment, if you leave it, and that's the problem with losers, right? It's been stuck for a while, and I'm trying to see whether I can just get out of the trade. I mean, if I lose 6 cents out of $50, that's like how much? It's not up to. I mean, 1% will be like about. That's like about 0.2%. So I'm thinking, it's going back up again. I think I shouldn't lose out on this time around. I think I should just opt out. Maybe if it gets to 823. Will it get to 823? I don't even know. But it's on 821. So I'm wondering whether I should just go ahead and just get this out of the way. Yeah, I'm thinking of getting it out of the way. It's 821. Let's see how much we're going to lose. At this point, it's all about making sure that we don't. We're losing 12 cents. We are losing 12 cents, so it's a lot. Maybe I should just hold on. I'll come back to it. Let's go back and see what's happening in other areas. Let's see what's happening in the other transactions, right? So let's check on DGB. DGB has gone down. The market is red, like I told you. Look at it. Look at it. You see, parabolic SARS has started now from the top, trying to push it down. But it's kind of struggling. It's saying, I want to go up. I want to go up. But meanwhile, the parabolic SARS is trying to bring it down. And if you look at it, look at this place here. The RSI is 49. It's now kind of on the downtrend, but it's still looking up. If you look at it, it's looking up here. So it's kind of in a sideways movement. And we bought it at 618. So if we try to sell out now, we are going to lose money. So let's go back and see. Let's go back and check on the other ones. We're out of beta. Let's look at hot. Hot is struggling also. It's struggling. It's really struggling. That was the mistake we made, was that the parabolic side had already been established. Right now, when you see that one of the parabolic side is kind of out of place, it's not following the same line, it's showing that it's really going down. It's pushing it. It's really pushing it. But this one too, if by the time I get back to the price, if I can get my money out, I'll just work with that. All right, let's go ahead and see which other one is remaining. I think the other one remaining should be AMB. AMB 822. I think we should just get out of this trade. I think we should just get out of this trade right about now. Okay, so I'm about to just give up on this, right? I just want to get out. Let's see. Let's just try and get out of the trade. Oh, we're in the queue. No, I don't want to be in the queue. I want to quickly sell out. That means this wants to make me sell out at 821. If I click on 821, right, I'm going to lose 12 cents. I don't want to do that. So I'm patiently waiting if this will go to 823. If it will go to 823, that's what I'm hoping, that at least another push to get it to 823. Once it gets to 823, I'll get it at 822. That's what I'm going to work with, right? Oh, it's gone back to 821. Excuse me. But let's just set our sell limit to 823. Probably we'll get our money back with that whenever it gets to that point, or maybe when it gets to 822. Let me see what 823 will give me. 823. I'll get my money back. I think I should just work with 823. I will get my money back. Let's just get our money back at this point, right? So let's work with 823 just for it to just get to the tipping point and where we'll just get our money back. Now, the funny thing is that when it pushes and we get our money back, it might likely just be, it will now run all along and get all the way over there, and then we'll be saying, oh, we should just have left it. No. At this point, I just want to get my money out of this one. I will not even touch losers again, right? And this is just my own end point of discussion for losers. Okay, not touching it anymore, right? Because if it goes below that, at this point, it's looking like if it might likely go below. So, but maybe it can push to 823. I don't know if it can push to 823, and we're able to get out. But if we make it 823. That means it has to get to 824. Wow. Let me just hold on for a while. Let's hold on for a while. Maybe before I end this live, I will change my mind. Okay. And I can see that, BTC is coming up again. So it's 27,432. It was, I think, 27,300 and something shortly ago. So okay, we are commenting on AMB. All right. Let me check another one. Let's look at HOTS. Okay, it's going up. It's going up to 103 now. Probably we can just get our money out. I think I'm just going to... Oh, it's looking good though. We might likely just get out our money. Maybe if I would just set a sell limit, because this one too, I don't know why. Let me see. The reason why it's looking like this is because of the parabolic SAR. That's what's going on here. And the parabolic SAR is situated on top. That means it's actually going to be pushing it down. So at this point, I don't want to struggle too much with it. So let me just try and set, a sell limit that's practically just giving us our money back. Okay? So you do this in some situations where it's better for you to just get your money back than to get it lost. Look at this other one now. Look at this. Let me show you DGB. DGB, we bought it 6-1. Okay, we bought it 618. So now it's 617. So if we try to sell, this one might likely push up. But I'm seeing that the parabolic SAR was not out yet at that point. But now the parabolic SAR has shown up. So because it has shown up, it's giving me the creeps, like it's looking like it's going to push down. But it's possible that this might break through. So if it breaks through, at least if we're able to make some little profits, I know it should be able to push up a little bit more. So at this point, that's what I would just say for it. Okay, so let's go back to that AMB and see what it's looking like. Let's look at AMB. It's 820. 820. This is spot trading live. Yeah, we do things live here at this point. So let's see how this goes. You can see I put it at 823. Now it's going down. Probably I should just have sold at 821. 821 means that I'm going to lose 12 cents. I don't want to lose that much. No, I'll still leave it up. I'll leave it. 820. I'm like, wishing, can't you just give one final push and go to 823? These are the times where you wish you could do something, yeah, but you can't, because this is a market, right? It's the forces of buying and selling that makes the prices, okay? So, and once someone is buying, the price is going up. Once someone is selling, the price is going down. That's the simple thing about it. That's the way to look at it. Okay, let's check in KuCoin. That one that's really paining me really now. I'm telling you. It's been going down for the past 3 hours. Look at it. It's just been like alternating. That's why I say this market, you cannot tell. It could happen like that, and it could just, we're just making intelligent guesses. Look at it right now. It's alternating green, red, green, red, green, red. Maybe this green could push up, but at this point, we're still hoping. Let's go check. I think one more. That's, let's confirm what's going on here at BitGet. So let's see. This is BitGet. That one also, the hello has gone down. I saw it floating. I could have also cashed out too. I saw it floating at around that 6, 7. Oh, can you see? It's like a big dump. It is a big dump. It's a big dump. Yeah, look at it. It's really bad. This was really bad. I could have left it much earlier, but it was just dancing around, right? It was just dancing around. It was here. It was just dancing around. Let's see what it was at that point. At that point, I think I might have just have been able to cash out and get my money back. But I didn't do that. I wish I did. So at this point, this is it. It's looking like, well, this is a big dump, as we can see here. And even the RSI went through the big dump. Really bad. Really bad. But like I said, once I see it move up, let's give it some time. This is spot trading. Anything can happen, right? And we're doing the spot trading live, okay? So these are the updates. I'm giving you the updates as it is, and it's really painful just seeing that people are selling out, and as they're selling out, the prices are going down. The prices are going down. But let's hope that, things change direction and we're able to hit it. Let's give it some time. All right. So I'm heading back to Binance now, and then going to check what's going on in these live before I end the live at this point. Okay. And then come back to see what's going on. But I think before I go, look at it now. If I think I should just, if I sell at 823, I'll just be getting my money back. If I sell at 822, I will still be making a loss. I don't want to make a loss. So at least let me get my money back in this particular scenario. Okay. So one more look at it. Oh, it's going down. Look at it. Look at it. It's going down and going up. It's just flopping and flipping. Okay, it's just flopping and flipping. Oh my God. Oh my God. 618. Wow. 618. Can we get our money back? Oh, it went up. It went up. It went higher. Oh my God, I told you. It went up. It went up. It went up. It went up. Yeah, it went up. So it's at 618 right now. Let's see what will happen if I cancel. If I cancel this, right, I could just pick up 100% and see how much. Oh, sorry, sell. Let me pick up 100%. I think at this point, let me see if I can just buy. Oh, I'm back there. Back there. Let me cancel that. Oh, part of it has been sold. Part of it has been sold. Okay. Let me see. Part of it has been sold. So maybe I should just go ahead and sell. Yeah, maybe that will help. Let me just get out of this trade. Let's see whether will this push up one more time? Will it go up there? Let's wait and see. Let's see if this will at least give it a push up. If we can get a push up, like a little bit more, we should be able to sell. And once we sell, we'll be able to get out of this particular trade. So I can see that part of it has been sold. You can see that. We've sold like about $14 out of it, right? So let's wait and see. We're trying to sell to see how much more we can get sold. Let's see. Well, if I have 14 here, right, 14.51. If I subtract that from 50, what will I get? Let's see. If I subtract that from 50, what will I get? So that I could just try to see whether I could sell at a higher price, at a lower price. So 50 minus 14.5. That means I have 35.5 left. Okay, so let me see what's going on here. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, will this push up one more time? I don't know. Let me cancel it and see if we can sell at a lower price. If we sell at a lower price, whether we can even make 35. I think we can. Let's just go ahead and do this. Good. All right. So how much did we get? Oh, we made a loss of 3 cents. Of course, don't forget, we actually didn't make a loss. It's just that because of the trading fees. And the reason why I just felt we should get out of this one was because I saw that the parabolic SARS had already started coming up. And if we're not careful, we would lose more money. So sorry about this. This was more about getting our money back. But after getting our money back, we had to pay fees. Okay. That's the reason why. So we actually got our money back. What did we get? We actually got 49.97. So this was more about getting out of the trade. So because I've seen situations where you try to leave it and then you come back and it's halfway. Look at what happened. Look at what happened to Hello here. That's just exactly what I'm talking about. Look at what happened to it, right? It's just going lower and lower. Can you see that? See the big dump. So at times, if you see that the trade is not looking like it's going to go, you just get out of it, right? Worst case, you lose like 2, 3 cents, you move on with your life. Choose another trade and you pick it up. Look at how we were able to, execute those two other trades. One had a 3.1% profit. The other one was like about 1.6% profit. So, there are other trades you can pick. So you can see this one right now. I didn't even know that it had even dumped this much. Probably if I saw it dumping a bit, I could have just come here and cancel it right about at that point. But at this way, I'm not going to cancel this. I have to wait a little bit. Let's see whether it will come up a little bit and then we'll be able to get our money or at least make some little profit on it. So what I just did, in fact, let me just go back here and just try to see whether we could at least get some little change, besides our money, right? So if I go back and I just change this one, well, this is just supposed to be like 2%, should just be fine. But at this point, because of the market, once you look at the market and it's red, and that's what is still going on, right? By now, maybe in a couple of days, the market will cure. So, and then it will now rise up again. But at this point, the market is bleeding. The market is bleeding. And as you can see, just take a look at this. The percentage increase is going down. It started out as like about 13%. Now it's like 3.99%. So it's really down. So the best thing is just to make sure, right, that you don't lose too much of your money, right? You can see what's going on. It's just selling. People are just selling. And the more people are selling, the price is going down. You can't help that. That's just the way market forces is. Once you're selling, the price goes down. Once you're buying, the price goes up. Okay. So I think I'll just cancel it and then I'll just, change it. At least if I can make like 10 cents over it, I'll just be fine. Just to get out of the trade because of the market situation. So let me just cancel that for now. Let's see what we can do if we can sell. If we sell now, see what's going to happen. If we sell now, we're going to lose. What are we going to lose? We're going to lose $1.32. That's what we're going to lose. It's just a whole massive amount. I don't even want to try that. So the best thing is for us to just, get the price at a point where, how much did we buy it? Let's go and check how much we bought it again. How much did we buy this? Okay, so let's check the trade logs. We bought it at 6748. Okay, so if I can get a 6750, will I make money? Let's check. 67, and it's already 63. 67, let's say 55. Would I make money with that? Let's see. Nothing. Because I have to still pay fees. No. Maybe you should make it 6.8. Okay. Okay, this 13 cents. I'll still pay fees out of that. Let's just leave it at that, right? Just make sure that at least we get our money back. That's just the most important thing because I'm seeing the trend of this is not giving me comfort to make it higher than that. Okay. So before we wanted to make it at 6.9, but now it's 6.8. At least we've gone lower, and let's see how this rolls. Okay. So, and I'm seeing the percentage is going down. Look at it. It's just going down and down and down. But let's hope it comes back up, right? So we fix that, right? So let's go back and see what's going on here. Did this one change? Did it make a move? Okay, still on 16,617. So let's back. Let's see what we have. Oh, I'm seeing that something has happened. I think we have a trade that has executed. Which one is it? I don't know. Let's go to the trade history. Another trade has executed. Beautiful. AMB. AMB has executed. Did it give us profit? AMB. Let's go and check AMB. Maybe we should. You see, this is what I'm saying. At least we were able to get our money back. And we had some little change. Let's see how much we got. Let's see how much we got. Let's see. How much did we get? Oh, well, we didn't make money. We just got $50 and almost a cent. But at least we got our money back. That's the cool stuff, right? Minus all the charges. So we got our money back. Fine. Because A and B was losers, right? And you can see it's still stuck. It's still stuck. So please don't go to losers, okay? Stick with gainers. Stick with gainers. Take that advice from me, okay? Stick with gainers. This was an experiment that did not cost us any money. So we thank God that at least we came out of it and we were able to make, even if it's just one tiny, winny bit of whatever, we made something tiny over it, right? But the most important thing was that we tested it out and I have seen that losers doesn't work. For some people, yeah, it might work, but for this one, it didn't work. We just had to get our money back. So it was money in, money out. Okay. So now the other thing was that we had to do, what was it that was left here? We had to, what am I saying? Okay, yes, I'm back. I lost my train of thought. We had to do DGB. Yes, we had to do DGB and get out of it, right? That one also, we needed to do that very quickly because I saw that the parabolic SARS has set in. So we had to sell that at 617. We sold part of it at 618 and we sold part of it at 617. Okay, so combined, we lost like about 3 cents. Yeah, we lost like about 3 cents, but at least we got out of the trade. We're out of it right now, and you can see it's still stuck. Okay, it's still stuck. At this point, the parabolic SARS is pushing it down. So that's final. We're done with DGB. We're done with AMB. Okay, what do we have left? I think it's HOT. Yeah, hot. What is going on in hot? Okay, it's looking like it's coming up. It's coming up. We should give that one some time. Let's give it some time. It looks like it's going to push up, right? Let's give it some time. Let's work with it. Let's give it some time. What did we say we were going to sell it as? 1025. All right. I'll leave it. Let's hope that this comes out, better. So at this point, I'm just going to ship the remaining money out of the way. All right. So I'm just shipping the money out. Okay. Before I do that, let me just take a snapshot. Okay. Let's ship the money out. Ship it out. Ship it out. Okay. So I will know when that one happens. Okay. We'll know when it happens. All right. So let's move that out of the way. All right. So we have executed like 4 trades out of 7. All right. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. 2 of them we made profit on. 1 we made a loss of like about 3 cents. Another one we just got our money back. Okay. Oh yeah. It looks like it's going up. It looks like it's happening. Let's hope so. Wow. It looks like it's happening. It's happening. Maybe this is the time it's going to push up. Yeah, because some people might be buying the deep. Yeah, you can see how it's fluctuating. It went up to 105 just now. That was the amount we bought it. How much did we buy it? Let's check it. Let's confirm. Let's check how much we bought it. Okay. Let's check how much we bought hot. We bought hot at, it was actually 1006. I thought it was 1005. No, 1006. Wow. So we actually bought it more expensive. Interesting. Interesting. So we got to give it time. We got to give it time. It looks like it's going to push up. I'm seeing like it's getting some positive, motion, right? It's positive. Let's hope so. Let's hope it works that way. Okay. So since that's what it's giving us, let's wait for this one. I'm thinking that this will likely push up, right? Yeah, it should push up. I'm seeing that there's a likelihood in it. So let's just leave it. All right. So we're done with some trades there now. Let's see which other one. I think have we sorted this one out? Yes. What? Oh my God, this is just going down. Did it go back up? I think it went up a little bit. I saw a little more. Well, it's still looking down. It's still looking down. Hello. Doesn't have anything to offer for now. Hello, USDT. Yeah. Anyways, what's the next one? The last one, I guess, should be here. I think we've set our sell in it. Have we set it? I think I set it. No, I haven't set it. It's still the same amount. If I set it, what's going to happen? Let's check. Is it still going down? I'm seeing a green candle though. Let's leave it till tomorrow. Okay, let's give it some time. Then we'll be back to see whether we can conclude these sessions of our Spot Trading Live, this edition of Spot Trading Live. I hope you've learned something. I hope this is clarifying, the mystery about spot trading. And I hope you'll also be able to take those lessons learned and you'll run with it quickly. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you when I resume on this live. Take care and have a lovely, lovely day. Bye.